Fanbasis versus Stripe. Which digital business platform wins? So what is Fanbasis? Fanbasis is a full-stack platform designed for creators, internet entrepreneurs. It offers not just payments, but checkout funnels, subscriptions, upsells and order bumps, affiliate and partner tools, built-in buy now pay later, crypto payments, automated fulfillment of digital products, courses and communities, real-time analytics, and pretty much everything you need to run and scale a digital business. It emphasizes conversion optimized funnels, order bumps, upsells, flexible payment plans, smart routing for failed payments, and more. So what are its pros? It is an all-in-one platform. You get the payments, fulfillment, marketing, funnel tools, so fewer tools to glue together. It has strong conversion tools, upsells, OTOs, payment plans, and order bumps built in. It has good options for flexible payment methods, including buy now, pay later, and crypto. Because it includes more features, you might be paying for some you don't need if your business is just simple. It's likely less granular and flexible in some aspects compared to a pure payments API provider with a wide ecosystem. Fanbase's pricing isn't fully transparent in all markets, but there is mention of commission on creator experiences, 20% for referrals and some revenue sharing. Stripe is primarily a payments infrastructure and payments platform. It's great for processing payments, recurring bill subscriptions, invoicing, multi-currency handling many payment methods, offering tools like fraud detection, APIs, webhooks, and building blocks for marketplaces SaaS, physical and digital commerce. Now for its pros. It has great flexibility and customizability. You can build exactly what you need using their APIs. It has a global reach, broad payment method support, and strong reliability and scale. However, you will need to assemble many tools yourself if you want funnel logic, upsells, affiliate tracking, buy now pay later, etc. These are not always built in or may require third-party tools. Its standard pricing in many places is 3.4% plus 50 cents per successful transaction for domestic cards, with no monthly fees for basic payments. So which one is better? Pick Fanbasis if you want a more integrated stack with checkout fulfillment, payments, funnels, and affiliate tools, and you'd prefer less assembling of tools, especially good for creators, course sellers, and coaches who want features out of the box without hiring a developer. And pick Stripe if you need more flexibility, want to build custom logic or storefronts, want more control over fees, or already have parts of your business built and just need a powerful payment backend. Stripe is also better if you have a bigger volume, more international payments, or want best in class reliability and control. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.